Welcome back to our accounts class. Students, till last class we have discussed how to analyze the transactions into debit and credit. So we have given you homework and also solve it on the next day. Now we'll learn how to record the transactions in the books of accounts. Listen it carefully. At first we have analyzed the transactions into debit and credit. Now we will record the transactions in the books of accounts. Generally two types of books of accounts we have. At first, primarily we record all the transactions in the journal book, and thereafter we record in ledger book. Today we are discussing how to record transactions in the journal. Okay, so last day's solution I am taking it. From the last day we can see that the transactions are analyzed into debit and credit. We have learned already how to analyze in debit and credit. Next step, now we are recording in the journal book. You see, first transaction was started business with cash 10,000. We have analyzed these as per step 1, step 2. I have already given you the rules of analysis, that is steps of analysis I have given you. Cash account debit, cash debit, capital credit. In the journal, you see that this is the format of the journal. Date column, debit column, credit column, and ledger below. On the top you write journal. First you see which is debit and which is credit. From the analysis you can see cash debit, capital credit. At first you write the debit item. Debit item is cash. You write in this way: cash account ... debit. Next, below it you write credit item. Credit is capital. So credit is written in this way: to capital account. So at first we write the debit item. From the analysis, debit is cash. You write cash account ... debit. Next you write credit item. Credit item is written in this way: to is written before the item. So credit is capital. You write to capital account. Account is written in this way, short form A/C. Now write the amount. The amount was 10,000. Debit column, credit column. 10,000. This is debit. You write 10,000. In the credit column, you write 10,000. Next, give a narration. Narration, that means details of the transaction. You write being started business. In every journal posting, journal entry, below it you should write being started business. Write with being and then write the transactions in brief. Number 1. Number 2, purchase goods. You see the analysis: purchase debit, cash credit. At first you write the purchase entry, debit entry. This is purchase. You write purchase account ... debit. Credit is cash. You write to cash account. Write the amount 2,000, debit column 2,000, and credit 2,000. Purchase goods. The transaction was purchase goods. You write narration being purchased goods. Third, you see sold motor car. This is the transaction analysis was motor car, credit, cash, debit. At first write the debit item. Here debit is cash. At first write the debit item, cash debit. Write cash account debit. Then write credit. Motor car is credit to motor car account. Write the amount: debit column 3000, credit column 3000. Write narration, give narration: being motor car purchased. Next, purchase furniture from Ram on credit. Analysis is furniture debit, Ram credit. At first write the debit item. Debit item is furniture. Okay, you write furniture. Account AC debit. Here credit is Ram. Write to Ram account. Amount is 2000. You write 2000. Debit item is written in this way: debit, and which is credit you write 2 before that item. Don't write credit. Cash account debit, capital account credit. Don't write credit. Before capital account you write 2. Before the credit items you write 2. At first write the debit item, next credit item. Next, paid telephone bill in cash 120. Transaction analysis is telephone debit, cash credit. At first write the debit item, telephone debit to cash account. Give narration: being telephone bill paid. Write the amount. Next, go to received rent. Analysis is rent credit, cash credit. I told you earlier, write the debit item at first. Debit item is at cash. You write cash account debit to rent account. Write the amount. Give narration: received rent. Next, loan given to Hashim. Analysis is cash credit, Hashim debit. Write the debit item at first, then write credit item. Debit item is Hashim account debit, then write credit item 2. Here credit is cash. Write the amount. Next, cash deposited in bank 1000. Cash deposited in bank 1000. Its analysis is cash real account goes out credit, bank personal account receiver debit. So at first write the debit item, bank. Then write credit to cash account 1000. Write narration: being cash deposited. Okay, in this way we prepare the journal. At first you have to analyze the transactions into debit and credit as per rules. Rules are given earlier, steps are given earlier. You follow the rules, golden rules and the steps. After analyzing, this is your rough working part. After analyzing, you record it in the journal books. In journal books, how to record, I have explained you. Okay, now add you can add these two sides, both sides will be equal. Okay, in this way journal is prepared. Okay, we have analyzed more transactions last 2 or 3 days. You can record from the analysis into journal. Okay, thank you. See you again the next day.